Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in the tutorial how to use Copilot to locate all emails with attachment on Outlook using a Mac computer in the year 2026, web-based. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in the tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer and account for Microsoft Office 365. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start the tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock, go to Launchpad and go to the alternative web browser, which is Google Chrome. Click on this, wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, now let's go to Outlook and then make sure that you are signed into the account. Now let's go to the top right corner, click on Copilot, which is Microsoft Office 365's version of artificial intelligence, which is taking over all of technology, which is a very good thing. So now let's type in generate every email with an attachment and let's watch AI do the magic. So Copilot has come back saying, I can help with that, but the wording is a bit ambiguous, so I'll cover the main practical interpretations and give you ready to use options. You can use whichever fits your situation. So let's go to has attachments, yes. Copy this, add that to the search box within Microsoft Office 365, Outlook, and here we have every single email acquired within our inbox with an attachment, all generated via AI Copilot on Office 365 for Outlook. So we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.